On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the simplest methods that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that you are not required to invest any money. Everything is free, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you the best offer that you can promote and a high quality free traffic source that you can use to promote the offer so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. An affiliate network is a website where you can find affiliate products to promote. So anytime you promote a product, once you get a sale, you are going to be earning a commission. There are many of them. We have Digital24, we have Warrior Plus, we have ClickBank, and many other affiliate networks. Any of them that you want, you can search and then create your accounts. In this case, I'm using Yaxen.com. Yaxen.com is one of the best affiliate marketplace where you can find brands and stores to promote. They have a lot of different popular brands that you can promote to make money from home. Most of the brands and stores are already patronized worldwide. So when you are promoting offers on this website, it is easy for you to make money. So just search for Yaxen.com. Once you search for it, you can create an account within 3 minutes. Once you create your account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to search for a brand or a store that you can promote to earn money anytime you get a sale. So first of all, you have to click right here, brands/stores. Once you click on it, you'll be able to find a brand that you can promote. You can see this is a page. Let me scroll down for you to see. Once you scroll down, you can see these are brands and stores that you can promote. This is a brand and this is a store. Shein is a store where you can find a lot of different products to promote. You can find shoes, you can find clothes, you can find many items on Shein that you can buy. So once you promote the store, anytime people purchase any of the items on Shein, you are going to be earning 15% of the price of the product that they purchase. Assuming you promote Shein and someone purchases a shoe at $200, you are going to be earning 15% of the $200. Any product that they promote, you are going to be earning 15% of the price of the product. You can see this is an item. When you promote it and then get people to purchase it, you are going to be earning $75 per every sale that you get. This is a store and you are going to be earning 5% of the price of the product. So anytime people purchase any product, you are going to be earning 5% of the price of the product. There are many of them. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different stores and brands that you can promote. There are many of them. You can see HP. HP is one of the popular brands that you can promote. There are many of them. You can see Nike. Nike is one of the popular brands that you can promote. They sell shoes, they sell leggings, and many other products. So once you promote Nike, anytime people purchase anything on Nike, you are going to be earning 3% of the price of the product. There are many of them. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them. If you click right here, show more, you will still get a lot of different brands that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one, you're going to be earning $75 per every sale that you get. This one, you're going to be earning $50 per every sale that you get. The best part is that you can also shop on this website and then get cashback. So if you click right here, shop to earn, once you make a purchase of any item, you are going to get your cashback. If you want, you can click right here, promote to earn. Once you click on promote to earn, you are going to get an affiliate link that you can use to promote the product so that other people can purchase the product through your affiliate link, and you are going to be paid a commission anytime they make a purchase. There are many of them. So you can scroll and then select any brand or store that you want to promote. If you are interested in a specific category of brands or stores, all that you need to do is that you have to filter them. So you can click right here, select category. Once you click on it, you can see these are categories that you can promote. You can see they have alcohol and beer, animals and pet supplies, arts and entertainment, and many others. You can see a whole lot of different categories of brands and stores that you can promote to get people to purchase an item for you to make money. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see they have gambling, gifts, green living, group discount, and a whole lot of different categories. As a school, you can see. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select animals and pet supplies. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see all these stores and brands are related to animals and pet supplies. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want so that you can promote it. In this case, I have a specific offer that has a higher commission. So when you promote it, you are going to be making a lot of money. So let me search for it for you to see. Let's search for Poppy Sport. Once you type the name, you can see it right here, Poppy Sport. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see Poppy Sport. Poppy Sport is a store where you can get a lot of different puppies to purchase. They have different breeds, so any kind of breed that you want, you can find it on their website and then make a purchase. So if you promote it, once people buy any kind of puppy, you are going to be paid $200. You can see it right here. This is your commission rate. So anytime people purchase any kind of puppies, you are going to pay $200. So in terms of the commission rate, this is one of the best stores that you can promote. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can get more information about the store before you promote it. So click right here. Once you click on it, you can see information about them. You can see what they are and what they sell. So as you can see it right here. When you scroll down, you see other details. You can see these are the details of the offer. You can see right here, cash reward, $200 per sale. So anytime people purchase a puppy, you're going to be earning $200. This is your affiliate link. So you have to get people to purchase the puppies through this link so that you can be paid. Now once you have selected an offer, you get more information about the offer. The next step is that you have to drive traffic to your affiliate link so that you can get people to purchase the product through your affiliate link, and you are going to be paid per every sale that you get. You can use free traffic source, you can use paid traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase for you to earn money on Yaxen.com. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is usa.adravo.com. This is a website where you can publish ads for free wherever you are in the world. You can see they have a lot of different categories that you can post your ad. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. As I scroll down, you can see these are ads that people have posted, and the best part is that they are posting to tier 1 countries. You can see these ads are available in the United States. Wherever you are in the world, you can also post your ad to the United States without paying for anything. You can see a whole lot of different ads that are targeting people who live in the United States. You can see a whole lot of different ads on the website. So now what you have to do is that you have to also post your ad onto the website so that you can get people to purchase the product that you're promoting for you to earn money with affiliate marketing. To post an ad, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post free ad. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to begin to enter the details of your ad. You can see the first one is the city. Where are you targeting? So for example, if you are targeting any city in the world, you can enter the city right here. As well, you can see a whole lot of different countries and the city. So just target any place that you want. In this case, we are targeting the United States. So what we have to do is that we have to search for the United States. If you leave it all cities, it means worldwide. In this case, we are not targeting worldwide. We are targeting people who live in the United States. So select it. The people who live in the United States, most of them have the purchasing power to buy the product. So select the United States. Once you select the United States, the next step is that you have to select the category of the ad that you want to post onto the website. So click on it. Once you click on it, you have to look for pets because the offer is related to pets. So search for pets. You can see these are different categories. Scroll down and then search for pets. You can see a whole lot of different categories. You have to scroll down and then look for pets. You can see right here pets care accessories. So select pets. Select this category. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste the title of your ad here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Yaxen.com. Once you come back on Yaxen, highlight and then copy this as your title. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to come back on Yaxen. Once you come back, you have to copy the description of the offer and then paste it. You can see right here, this is the description. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to enter your email address here. So enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, you can see ad type. You can select I want or you can select I'm offering. So let's select I'm offering. Once that is done, you have to enter the price. To get the price of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to go back on the store so that you can get the actual price of the items that they are selling. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, click right here, shop now. Once you click on it, you can be able to get access to the main website of the stores so that you can be able to get the actual price of the products. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. This is the Poppy Spot store. You can see this is their website. So now what you have to do is that you have to look for the items so that you can get their prices. As you can see, these are the puppies, so just click on one so that you can get to know the price. If you want, you can click right here to open more so that you can be able to see their prices. So click right here. Once you click on it, you see a whole lot of them. Just click on any of them so that you can get to know the price. In this case, I'm going to click on this one right here. Once you click on it, you can see more details of the offer. You can see it has over 16,000 reviews, and most of these reviews are positive. You can see it has got 4.6 positive reviews. You can see it right here, and you can see this is the price. You can see the birth date and many other informations. You can see them right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to copy this price so that you can be able to use it in your ad. Once you copy the price, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. Paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click right here. Once you click on it, you can see please contact best offer and the rest. So any of them that you want, you can select. In this case, we are going to enter the price here. So enter $2,549. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste your affiliate link right here, home page. So you have to come back on yaxin.com. Once you come back on yaxin.com, double click on this link so that your affiliate link can be copied. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, you can see right here image URL. So they need an image of the offer that you are promoting. So you can come back on the website, right click on any image that you want. Once you right click on it, you can see copy image address. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have copied the link to the image. So come back right here and then paste it here as considered has been done. Once you enter the details, you can submit your ad. But you can see right here, do not submit the same ad multiple times. So you don't have to keep on submitting the same ad. There are a lot of different offers on yaxin.com. You can go back, select a different offer and then post it onto this website. You can see these are their details. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here submit so that you can submit your ad. Once you click on submit, you can see thank you for submitting the ad. You can see this is the title of your ad. You can see your ad has been registered with ID. So this is the ad ID. You can go back to the home page. You can see it right here. You can go back to the home page of the website so that you can submit a different ad. So make sure you keep on submitting different ads onto this website. Keep on submitting so that you can get many people to purchase the offer that you are promoting for you to make money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.